So in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can copy items without a gap in between, which is great for seamless patterns. So I have this line here, and first we're going to make it a bit bigger. Let's say we'll make it 60 pixels. And as you probably know, if you select that line and you hold the Alt or Option key and then drag it down, it makes a copy. But now you have to just guess if you have it without a gap or if you're overlapping them, and that's not really what we're looking for. So I'm going to Ctrl-Command-Z, and then with your line or your object selected, we're going to go to Object, Transform, and then choose Move, or with shortcut Shift, Control or Command-M. Now here, because we made our line 60 pixels, we're going to say we're going to move it vertically, and then we'll move it 60 pixels. And instead of pressing OK, now I'm going to press Copy. Now, the line has been copied 60 pixels below the original line, and because the original line was 60 pixels to begin with, there is no gap in between. You can now press Ctrl or Command D to repeat that action. Now, let's say I'm going to select two of these. With those two selected, going to give them another color. Let's make them blue. I'm going to move them a bit to the side. Select everything. Going to rotate. Well, I'm just going to show you if you have everything selected, and let's say you're going to scale it up or down by using the anchor point or even using the scale tool. As you can see, it doesn't scale nicely. So to prevent your objects from transforming when you're scaling them, we're going to go to the Appearance, the Properties window, and then in the Transform option, you have these three dots here, the More Options option. If you click that one, I'm going to check the Scale, Strokes and Effects. And when that one is checked, ticked off, if you now scale, as you can see, it scales uniformly. And that's what we were looking for. Now you can also, if with everything selected, you can change the colors, you can scale it. And because there's no gap in between, this is perfect for when you're trying to make seamless patterns. Quick tutorial on how you can copy and paste items without a gap in between and scale them uniformly. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos going live every Wednesday and Thursday. For now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.